Good afternoon, fishermen. My arms are sore. Gonna get some fish. Rightio, got another one. Right at the end of the cast. I just let it sink and gave it 2 winds, and the line tightened it. It's all good. Well, it's southwester at the moment. Forecast was westerlies. It'll be northerly tomorrow. Don't fish here on a northerly. Don't fish here very much actually. Geez, I'm heating that sun. Hey, come back. This thing's got a bit of go in it, eh? Get a bit of line back. Just doing everything to evade going in the net. Oh, what a beautiful fish. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful fish? 5.5 pounds. Brilliant silver. Go back to where you came from. Either way.